Somebody wants to know if you come to Thailand for less than 5 days, can you come to join as Test and Go program or not? I have an answer for you in this video. สวัสดีค่ะ It's me, Teya, Suchira. After I told you about Test and Go program and I told you for like 31 minutes. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself for being that informative. But still missing telling you a little bit more about how about if you come to Thailand for less than 5 days and you're interested to come here as Test and Go, would it be possible? Well, if you're fully vaccinated and you want to come to Thailand but you have very short time, yes, you're also welcome to come to travel Thailand if you have time for less than 5 days. And what to do? Actually, for Test and Go, which they are going to allow you to apply Thailand Pass from the 1st of February. When you apply Thailand Pass in that Test and Go program, they're going to have three choices for you to tick. First choice is you tick SHA Plus hotel, another one is alternative quarantine hotel, and another one is for a person who travel to Thailand for less than 5 days. So for that choice, you just tick the choice of the less than 5 days, and then you have to upload the return ticket to prove to them that you don't stay here for longer than 5 days. So that is how you can apply for Thailand Pass. So if you're coming here as Test and Go for less than 5 days, you just only book only day 1, which is including with transportation, picking you up at the airport, including RT-PCR test, and then you do just the test for only 1 day, and after that you can just travel around and then return to your country. But on the way back, some of your airlines would require you to show RT-PCR test. Then this one is going to be your information that you have to search for each airline what they require. Some airlines require you to show RT-PCR test within 72 hours. Some request you to show RT-PCR test within 24 hours, and some only request you to show ATK or antigen test kit. So it's really depending on each airline which you're going to travel back to your country. It's not compulsory, it's not a request from Thailand anymore. Thailand only requests you to do 72 hours before you fly into country. Once when you arrive Thailand, you're required to do another RT-PCR test. So if you stay only shorter than 5 days, you will only do the test for 2 times, before you fly in and 1 time after you arrive here. But on the way back, it's really depending on the rule of your airline, the rule of your country. That is what you have to find out after that. So I think this video can help you to feel a little bit more confident to apply Thailand Pass as Test and Go program. And if you have any question, you're more than welcome to just write email to me. I can do a booking of the hotel for you as well, including insurance, and also apply Thailand Pass for you. But again, Test and Go is going to starting to let you apply Thailand Pass on the 1st of February, and it takes about 7 days to get an approve, and then you can fly in. Anyway, before I leave, I want to show you, this is the kitchen. This is the day night of my work. So it looks a little bit more, you can imagine how it's going to be like. And of course, I'm during a process of making a video, particularly of my kitchen. If you want to buy me a coffee for this project, you can have a look in description how to buy me a coffee for supporting my project as well. And if you think this video is useful for you, you are more than welcome to just share to your friends. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. I'm looking forward to celebrate to have 30,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and click like for me. So this is all I want to talk with you about Test and Go, which is going to open in a few more days. If you have any question, you're more than welcome to write email to me. And for today, thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you have a nice day. See you again next time very soon. สวัสดีค่ะ